Hi, my name is Barbara Harrington. Today's date is March 22nd, 2018, and this week's lab is the microscopy for microbiology. We're just getting used to the function of our microscope. Here is our microscope, our compound microscope that we purchased from Hands-On Labs. Right here, the first piece we have is our ocular lens, which we see through. There is different types of zooms of our ocular lens. There's 10 times or 15 times. The one we have here is 15 times zoom. These knobs right here, this is our coarse focus knob, so it helps adjust up and down so we can view the slide closer. And then this is our finer coarse knob right here that just makes very small tune adjustments. Here is the stage that we call. We put our slide, as you see I already have a slide here, in our stage and hold it. And then even there we have these two knobs that move side to side or front to back, so we can adjust to find the right spot on our slide where we want to view our specimen. This also has an illuminator, so as you see it has a light that's just going to help light up the slide, and we can see through that with our ocular lens. We also have objective lenses here on our turret. The turret's this thing that turns around, rotates. So we have three different objective lenses. This is a 4 times zoom. So how we figure out the total magnification is we take 15 times 4, and that's 60 times zoom we have there for our total magnification. This one right here is our 10 times zoom. So again, you just take 15 times 10. That is 150 would be if we would look at a total magnification of 150 viewing through this objective lens. And then this lens right here is 40 times. So again, 40 times 15, that will be 600 is our total magnification. And then we have our, with these labs, we also needed to purchase an oil immersion lens, which has 100 times zoom. We use oil for this. You just use a tiny little glob of oil on the slide. And what's a nice function is that this lens, as you can see, can go in and out. And also the oil helps prevent the lens from scratching. It can actually go straight up against the slide when it has the oil on here. So this is meant to go directly touching the slide at some points. Unlike these lenses where we don't really want to touch the slide, it can irritate the specimen or scratch the lens or scratch the slide. For this week, we were given slides, and as you can see here, I already viewed our slides for this week. So the one on the left here is our penicillin. The best view I had of the penicillin slide was at 40 times zoom, which was a total of 600 total magnification. When I got to the oil immersion lens, I noticed that it just got way too blurry and I really could not focus and get a clear picture, so this was my best one. And the beryllium, this on the right side, this is using the oil immersion lens. I was able to get a pretty good picture. It's a little hard capturing these photos through a camera, I noticed, with the compound microscope, but I'm adjusting to it. So it actually looked a lot clearer in person. Other than that, I think I got some good practice this week. Really interesting stuff, and I'll see you next week for some more labs.